Hey, what's going on YouTube? And you know, I'm back at it again with another video for y'all. I will keep saying the same thing, how and why I'm not putting out more videos, but now at this point it just sounds like an excuse, so I'm not gonna just repeat myself over and over again. But we're gonna get into something that I just got on StockX, because I didn't get it the first time, because you know, we take delayed W's, not L's. But the reason why I'm saying this is a delayed W is because the resale value for these is actually not as high as I thought it would be. Usually I would think they're about like maybe 240, 250 and above, but they actually ended up only being like well, what I bid for these were 208. So that's actually not bad considering it's a Jordan 1 and it's an original retro. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna get into the shoes that I just got, but first let me tell you the story of how I got them. I originally bid for 2 pairs on accident because this is the first time using StockX. I didn't know it went through the first time, so I bid for them again, won both times. But eventually, yesterday I found out at work they actually did refund me the other bid because I feel like they actually did know I only wanted 1 pair. Or maybe that's how it works. You let me know in the comments below how it works because I honestly don't have any clue. So I was just going to have 1 to rock, 1 to stock and resell. But ended up just getting 1. So that's fine by me because I'm probably just going to wear these a lot. They are going to get their money's worth, a lot of wear, because these Jordan 1s are probably fuego. The color is too subtle. I could rock it with any outfit. That's basically the whole gist of it. But let me get into the shoes. All right, you got the black and red box, Nike all over. You already know they got a new tag too, which I found pretty cool. You got the black and you got the gray leather. Tumbleweed on the swoosh, tumbleweed on kind of like the top heel and the toe box, which is pretty good. And I wish I had the 2013 pair to compare with, but I didn't have any money at that time, a long time ago, so I can't compare. I'm really sorry about that. But what I do know is that the leather quality is a little bit better on this pair in comparison to the 2013 pair. That's what I know. And I think this is a little lighter or darker, maybe lighter than the 2013 pair. I'm not sure about that. Y'all let me know in the comments below. But yes, and it comes with an extra lace, which are gray, but I think we're just gonna keep the black. You got the black soles, black toe box on the outside, gray on the inside, and it has a white tongue on the inside. So let me actually take these out for you. But yeah, and it has a Nike Air insole on the very bottom. Reason why I got these, like I said, Jordan 1s are my favorite ones of all time. Definitely gonna get my money's worth off of these because I'm gonna wear them like almost all the time. And like I said, I accidentally got 2 pairs and I only ended up getting 1. That's okay. Nobody's tripping. And I know my hair looks kind of funny right now. It's just not agreeing with me today. So it is what it is. But that basically sums up my video for these. Not too much, not too long, because I got other videos to record and other stuff to do. So like, comment, subscribe on my channel, and you already know what to do. Subscribe to the team. Follow the team. Subscribe to them. Like our videos. We're putting more videos out. I promise you guys we're putting more videos out soon. Sooner than soon. And I'll see you guys next time. And right now I'm just going to pull up to the next scene what these look like on feet. Deuces.
Sit back with the boys, making noise, telling stories, laughing our asses off. Never forget to crack it off, laughing hard, yeah, we cracking up. Yeah, we cracking up. Glass up of no red Solo cup, but we still pouring up. Then I gotta go with the beat, feel it from my head to the soles of my feet. UNK, rock it out, rock and roll, roll our songs. We ain't playing crap.
Been like, what is wrong with me? All my friends is like, you're not the same team. Almost 20, everything you changed to me. Wasting nights I spent crying on my knees. Nights I spent like, what is wrong with me? All my friends is like, you're not the same team.
Baby Draco in the bag, surrounded by these bands. Here to make some money, I ain't tryna make no friends. Here to pop some bottles, here to pop some tags. I'm here to grind, I ain't here to brag. I'ma need that cash, you gon' bring a couple bags. Walk into the store, carrying a couple racks.
I'ma break the bank, I'ma break the bank, I'ma break the bank, I'ma break the bank. Diamond wet like, oh, diamond wet like, oh.
I'ma break the bank, I'ma break the bank. Diamond wet like Saint, diamond wet like chains, diamond wet like who?
Throw your love away, yeah.
Nauseous, some dark.